During this pandemic, cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched objects and surfaces is one of the best protective measures we can take against coronavirus. Sanitizing surfaces in your home or workplace not only helps lower the chances of contracting COVID-19, but also lowers the chances you may spread it to others. However, treating a large open area or trying to disinfect a whole house is both difficult and labor-intensive. Professional sanitizing and disinfection services from Dustless Duct is a fast and effective way to disinfect your home or office and ensure a safe environment for loved ones and employees. We use an EPA-registered disinfectant solution that's approved as effective at killing the novel COVID-19 virus. Our sanitizing services are performed with a sporicidal fogging method of application. This ensures a complete coating of all surfaces for maximum disinfection. We are also offering air duct sanitizing as an additional service when disinfecting your property. Air duct disinfection will eliminate any pathogens in your HVAC system and improve the indoor air quality. Get in touch with us today to find out more about our sanitizing and disinfection services, or to schedule your cleaning appointment.